Hi and welcome to the Edit Campaign AzChief poster tutorial video. When creating new WordPress installation we should set up campaign name, WordPress URL, WordPress username and WordPress password. Then after clicking the Create New WordPress Installation, we will navigate towards Set Details for new site creation. When the pop-up opens, in order to create the new installation we will need to input database name, database prefix, database username, database password, database host as local host, website email and website title. We can also create About Us, privacy policy and terms of service pages by switching the appropriate switches. If we want to create About Us page, we need to switch the Create About Us switch to green, and add in your About Us text into the About Us text file. If we want to create privacy policy page, we need to switch the Create Privacy Policy switch to green, and add in privacy policy content into the privacy policy content file. If we want to create Terms of Service page, we need to switch the Create Terms of Service switch to green, and add in Terms of Service content into the Terms of Service content file. Also business address can be fulfilled and shown on pages. Logo image can be shown on pages, by uploading a picture, and switch use business logo, picture,